Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to friend on Revolut. So let's get into the video. So open up Revolut and then log into your Revolut account. So once you've logged into your Revolut account, so you're going to go to your payment section here. So if you click on the payments tab here, and then you can select from your contacts whoever you want to send the money to, or if you don't have someone that you any contact, so if you want to add the contact, you can hit on this plus option here and then click on new transfer, and then you can select a friend from Revolut if you are sending from Revolut, or to your friend to a bank account, you can select that. So if you're sending to your Revolut friend, simply click on Revolut friend, and then you can add in their details. For example, you can add their phone or email address or their ref tag if you know the ref tag, whoever you're sending. So just add your friend, add their name, email address, everything, hit on add, and then it will be added to your contact. So once you've added to your contact, next thing you're going to do is select the amount that you wish to transfer, and then you can just simply complete the transaction. It's pretty easy to send to your friend on your Revolut app. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.